Tucked away in the lap of the Annapurna range lies Manang, a place that feels like another world. Our journey began with winding roads, cold mountain air, and the hum of engines echoing through deep valleys. As we climbed higher, the landscapes transformed, from dense forests to dry alpine deserts, with prayer flags dancing in the wind and ancient stupas watching silently over the trails. Manang greeted us with open skies and snow-capped peaks that seemed close enough to touch. The nights were freezing, but the warmth of the local people and the quiet charm of the village made it all worth it. Every turn, every step, was a reminder of just how small we are in the arms of the Himalayas. This wasn't just a trip, it was a soul reset. And as we rode back down, hearts full and cameras packed, we knew we'd be coming back.